Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can download Gemini AI Studio as an application in your desktop. First of all, head over to your browser and simply search for install Google AI Studio /Gemini. Then you will see Google AI Studio right here. All you have to do is click onto it when you will see a page like this. Now make sure that you have been logged into your Gemini AI Studio account, and then you will be able to see your initial on your bottom left-hand side. Now, if this is the page that you would like to download as an app, select this three dot icon, scroll below, hover your mouse onto Cast, Save, and Share, select Install Page as App. Now you can give whatever name you would prefer. In my case, I would like to leave it as Google AI Studio. Select Install. Now, as you can see that this has been installed as an app, and you will also be able to see it in my taskbar right here. You may go ahead and use it. The process is very simple. Thank you for watching.